Move over smartphones and 3D printing. Because today, we're entering a realm where artificial intelligence is about to redefine everything. Get ready to witness 6 mind-blowing AI advances that'll shake things up forever. Number 1. AI-powered brain interfaces. Scientists from the University of Hertfordshire and Side University are cooking up something revolutionary. They've crafted code on an artificial intelligence system for brain interfaces, turning our brain into the ultimate communication hub. No more struggling with remote controls. We're talking about controlling stuff with your thoughts, like telepathic tech wizardry. Imagine flying a drone with just your mind, no buttons, no joystick, just your thoughts dictating the flight path. It's like having a Jedi moment every day. These brain interfaces boast an impressive accuracy rate, hitting nearly 90%, which is like a superhero level precision. And here's the real thing. It's not just about cool tricks, it's about bringing back movement to paralyzed folks and creating a whole new language for humans to talk to machines. It's not just a brainwave, it's a brain revolution. Sensors to your head catch a signal from your brain, turning them into commands for your devices. It's like a brainy heart monitor, but instead of checking your pulse, it's decoding your thoughts. Now, let's get practical. These brainy marvels aren't just for show. They're diving deep into the areas, like helping people recover from injuries, making computer understand our roller coasters of emotion, guiding robots through intricate tasks, ramping up our gaming experiences, and even peering into the mysteries of the brain itself. It's a tech extravaganza that goes beyond mere convenience. It's about reshaping our world. Number 2. Microchips and human augmentation. Imagine this, tiny chips playing matchmaker between biology and technology. And they're not just for show, they're getting under our skin, quite literally. These minuscule wonders can be implanted beneath your skin, and voila! Your daily life just got a futuristic upgrade. Forget sticky notes, these chips are like our own personal memory vaults, storing everything from medical records to the top secret recipe you swear by. It's like we're living in a real-life version of Cyberpunk 2077. In this not-so-distant reality, thanks to the fusion of medicine and robotics, people are turning into something more than just human. And you know what's at the heart of this transformation? Yeah, those microchips. They're the unsung heroes making our biological selves dance to the techno beat of convenience. Just picture it as a harmonious blend of flesh and circuitry, paving the way for new possibilities that we never thought possible. Sure, we might not be swapping our limbs like the scene from the sci-fi blockbuster just yet, but bionic limbs are already strutting their stuff in our everyday lives. Take Eta for instance. It's like a superhero for visually impaired, helping them see the world in a new light. Now, guess what? The military's already got their hands on robotic exoskeletons, turning soldiers into veritable juggernauts of strength and capacity. But here's the thing. These advancements aren't just boosting our physical abilities. They're about making life easier to those who need it the most. Disabled individuals get ready to embrace a world where movement isn't a hurdle, but a dance. Number 3. Nanobots. Consider this. Tiny robots playing around at the scale of nanometers, that's nanorobotics for you, or simply nanobots. These itsy-bitsy machines may be small, but boy do they pack a punch. Equipped with nanoscale sensors, they're like the James Bond of microcosm, detecting specific molecules or materials with pinpoint precision. Now, here's where it gets wild. These nanobots aren't just floating around aimlessly, they've got a mission, and their control system is the brain behind the operation. Once these sensors catch wind of something interesting, it's like a high-tech adventure at an incredibly tiny scale. Think of it as a mission, minuscule marvels. These nanorobotics are no joke, they're designed for medical wizardry. Imagine a future where the microscope marvels deliver drugs right into your eye, sniff out and annihilate cancer cells or toxins, and even perform intricate surgeries on your organs without breaking a sweat. The result? Quick recovery, less time playing the waiting game in the hospital, and minimal scars after the surgery that used to be the major headaches. It's like having a team of mini surgeons working tirelessly to make your health journey smoother than ever. Number 4. OpenAI. Now, OpenAI's got a big dreams. They're not setting just for any AI. They're gunning for the jackpot of artificial general intelligence, an AI that doesn't just specialize in one thing but understands, learn, and tackle the whole buffet of intellectual tasks just like us human. Cue GPT-5. This deep learning marvel isn't your run-of-the-mill text generator. It's a linguistic virtuoso. Feed it a prompt, and it spits out natural language text on any topic like it's been sipping on a knowledge smoothie. But wait, there's more. GPT-5 isn't just about text, it's a conversational AI. Imagine having a chat with an AI that doesn't just talk the talk, but also walk the walk. It summarizes articles, translate language, write codes, and you name it. GPT-5 got it covered. What sets GPT-5 apart from the pack? It's got this nifty feature called a multimodal generative model. Translation. It's not just about understanding text, it's about grasping the meaning behind the images too. This bad boy can describe images in details, making him a true wordsmith and artist combined. Plus, it doesn't stop there. It takes things up a notch by translating text with added context from audio or visuals. It's like this Swiss Army knife of AI, tackling conversations with text, images, and audio, making it the ultimate all-in-one genius in the tech arena. Number 5. Quantum computing. Now, this is where computer science meets physics and math in a cosmic dance of computational magic. What sets this apart from their everyday laptop? It's like comparing a snail to a Ferrari. Quantum computing harnesses the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics to solve mind-boggling problems at speed that makes our regular computers look like they're on a coffee break. Now, let's talk about the rockstar of quantum computing, qubits. Imagine traditional bits but on a quantum roller coaster. While regular bits can only be zeros or ones, qubits are the cool kids that can be zeros, ones, or both at the same time. It's like they're multitasking wizard, juggling multiple possibilities simultaneously thanks to a trick called superposition. Quantum effects like superposition and quantum interference come into play, making it feel like our quantum buddies are tap dancing through multiple dimensions. Why does it matter? Well, imagine using quantum computers to turbocharge machine learning, optimize system, or stimulate real-world scenarios. Think financial investment, unravel chemical mysteries, and stuff that's currently a headache for even the most powerful computer we have now. It's like bringing a quantum turbo boost to problem solving, and the possibilities are mind-boggling. Sure, the quantum world is a bit of a mystery. If we can wrangle these particles into a quantum computer, it's like unleashing a computer beast that can revolutionize drug discovery, climate modeling, finance, logistics, you name it. Quantum computing isn't just about solving problems, it's about solving them faster, better, and in ways we've never even dreamed of. Number 6. Smart cities with AI. In a fast-paced shuffle of city life, the concept of smart cities has emerged, and guess what? AI is stealing the show. Let's break it down. Cities are like bustling anthills, people swarming in for opportunities left and right. As this urban migration continues to skyrocket, the need for solutions that transform cities into efficient, sustainable havens is more crucial than ever. Welcome to the era of smart cities. So, what exactly makes a city smart? Imagine upgrading the entire urban infrastructure with cutting-edge AI solutions. These cities are not just embracing change, they're evolving into hubs of efficiency, slashing costs, and wuzzling with resources like never before. It's not just about erecting skyscrapers and bridges, it's about creating a dynamic, tech-infused environment that works seamlessly for everyone involved. But here's the game changer. Artificial intelligence, the superhero of this urban tale. AI is not just a shiny upgrade, it's a game changer benefiting residents, businesses, and cities itself. Imagine AI as a wizard optimizing everything from energy usage to traffic management and public services. It's not just about making cities smarter, it's about making them operate better, sustainably, and with a touch of tech-driven enchantment. Let's zoom in a bit. AI is like an invisible hand fine-tuning the gears of the city's machinery. Take energy consumption, for example. AI steps in to optimize how a city uses power, ensuring that resources are utilized efficiently. Traffic AI takes the helm, orchestrating the flow like a traffic conductor on steroids. It's not just about avoiding gridlocks, it's about creating a city that moves harmoniously, reducing congestions and frustration for everyone on the road. Public services? AI's got it covered. From predicting and preventing issues to enhance the overall quality. Imagine a waste management system that operates with precision, responding to needs before they become problems. It's a city where the mundane becomes extraordinary. But why stop there? AI in smart cities isn't just about optimization, it's about transforming the very fabric of urban living. Imagine personalized services tailored to individual needs, from healthcare to education. It's a city that understands its residents, anticipate their requirements, and evolve with them. Now, what do you guys think of the future? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and we'll meet you again in the next episode.